Hi, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install a brand new Tronlink wallet. Tronlink is the only suggested wallet right now to be used with the Daisy project, so that's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, you're going to come right to their website, and it is just tronlink.org, and you're going to download whatever version you have for your type of phone, iOS or Android, and they also have a Chrome extension if you'd rather use your desktop. Okay, so you're going to download the file that's correct for you, hit create wallet there, and this is what the screen's going to look like. You could type in whatever name you like. Then you're going to have to create a new password. There's specifics. It has to have at least one capital letter, one lowercase letter, at least one number, and it has to be at least 8 characters long. Pretty basic, but you want to make sure you write that down and keep it safe. They're going to make you repeat it just to make sure that you wrote down the correct wallet password. No one can recover these passwords, so you want to make sure that you keep them safe. Then the next screen that's going to come up is your recovery phrases. You do have to write all 12 of these down and in the correct order. Don't put them online on your computer where someone can see them, or if they're on access to your computer they can get access to your wallet. You want to keep them offline on an actual piece of paper or somewhere that only you know where they are. Do have to write them down in order and be able to put them back in. They will actually quiz you to make sure that you wrote them down, because again, there's no way to get these back. If you didn't write them down and you lose them, you'll lose control and access to your wallet. Okay, very important. Okay, after that you hit it, put them in, and it's going to say your wallet is created successfully. Keep that off to the side, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to actually interact with Daisy Dapps.